Hello, hi students. Now today I am discussing about the topic name is CRT. What is the full form of CRT? C means cathode, R means ray, T for tube, cathode ray tube. Display devices. Now see in this diagram, these are first one is electron gun, next one is beam focusing unit, and this one is vertical deflection and CRT casing, phosphorus coating, screen, electron beam, deflected beam, and vertical deflected position and horizontal deflected horizontal deflection and vertical deflection. Horizontal deflection is X position and vertical deflection is Y position. What are the CRT and how it's work? The CRT technical approaches will be have applied to the development of graphical terminals. The technology continues to evolve as CAD system. The manufacturer attempted to improve their products and reduce their costs. In this session, we present at a discussion of current technology in interactive computer graphics terminals. Nearly all computer graphics terminals available today use the cathode ray tube or CRT tube as display devices. Televisions set use computers, monitors, and different type of use in CRTs of the same devices as picture tube. The operation of CRT is illustrated in the figure. A heated cathode emits a high-speed electron beam. It's a phosphorus coating glass screen the electron. Energize the phosphorus coating casing it to glow at the points where the beam makes contact by focusing the electron beam, changing its investing intensity and controlling its points of contacting against the phosphorus coating through an use of deflector systems of the beam can be made to generate a picture on the screen. There are two basic techniques used in the current computer graphics terminals for generating image on the CRT. They are stroke writing and raster scan. Other name of the stroke writing technical include line drawing, random positions, vector writing, strike writing, and directed beam. Other names for raster scan techniques include digital TV and scan graphics. The stroke writing system used an electron which operate like a create a line image on the CRT screen. The image is constructed out of sequence of straight line segments. Each line segment is drawn on the screen by directing on the beam. It is drawn on the screen by the directed on the screen. Move from one point to the screen to the next, where each point is defined by its x and y coordinates. The process is portrayed in figure all through the procedure. Result in image compared of only straight lines. Smooth curves can be approximated by making the connecting line segment short enough. It is the raster scan approaches use screen. It divided into the carriage number of discrete phosphorus element called pixels of mixture of pixels consists the raster the number of separate pixels in the raster display might typical range. In the CRT system, clearly see it is the electron gun, and this one is beam focusing unit, and this one is vertical deflection, this one is horizontal deflection of phosphorus coating. ఇవన్నీ ఈ సిఆర్టీ పార్ట్స్ అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చేసరికి ఈ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ గన్ అనేది ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఈ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ గన్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఈ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ గన్ నుంచి ఈ బీమ్ ఫోకసింగ్ యూనిట్కి మనకు లెన్స్ సెండ్ చేస్తుంది. ఈ బీమ్ ఫోకసింగ్ లెన్స్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి ఒక సైడు హారిజాంటల్ deflection positions, and second one is first one is vertical deflections and second one is horizontal deflections. ఈ వర్టికల్ డిఫ్లెక్షన్స్ అనేవి మనకి లైట్ని